Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. 20V cordless random orbital sander from Parkside, performance model PAMSP 20LIA1. Bare unit only, battery and charger not included. Compatible with all X20V team batteries. Brushless motor, extra long life due to less wear and tear. Up to 10 times longer motor life. 25% higher oscillation, 30% less vibration compared to the regular model. Idle speed 6000 to 10,000 RPM, vibration rate from 12,000 to 20,000 RPM, sanding seat fixation hook and loop, oscillating circle diameter 2.5 mm, sanding plate 125 mm diameter. Accessories included, recommended 4Ah battery, ready to connect with a Parkside app and 5 years warranty. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. Smart power tool from Parkside with a durable case, black and red. User manual, sanding seats, P122 and one P240. And of course we have plenty space to install the 8Ah battery here, the charger here, if that is the 4.5 amps fast charger or the regular charger. Most of the time I'm using the regular charger 2.4 amps, so you will have a longer lifespan for your battery. And there's the tool. Inside we have the filter, Parkside logo, dust bin. Rotate and remove this adapter. You can remove and the filter, just press here, up and down, and definitely you can remove the filter. Okay, it is a little bit tricky. Okay, I hope I will not destroy the filter. Okay, very hard to remove, it is very tight. So remove it, wash it, clean it, reuse it. You can use a vacuum with this adapter. Install the filter here, at this position, wherever you want. Silicone rubber round, sealing very well the dust bin. The rotation, and here you can install one of these sanding seats. Transparent. Very easy to remove and install. I like it. You can use it with one hand, soft elements around, Parkside performance, the battery compartment. You can use a 8Ah battery, smart battery, but I think it is too big, 8Ah, so use the 4Ah battery. At the front we have the blue indicator for the Bluetooth connection, the battery capacity we can check here. You can choose the speed from 1 to 6, the on-off button. and off. On again. Now, before connect this tool to the Parkside app, let's take a look at today's sponsor. Keysfan offers cheap and legal OEM software key that are 100% official and enjoys online activation. You have 24/7 customer service and lifetime after sales. What software do you need to activate right now? Windows 11 or Microsoft Office? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more budget-saving tech tips. I really like the straightforward purchasing process, the variety of products available, and how quickly you can get started after completing your purchase. I've put an exclusive discount link and my custom promo code down in the description below so you can save an extra 50 to 62% of your order today. If you are building a brand new PC or fixing up an old laptop, spending over $100 just to get rid of the annoying active Windows watermark is a massive pain. Keysfan completely solves that. You get 100% genuine working keys instantly delivered to your inbox for a fraction of the cost. It leaves you with a way more room in your budget for the hardware upgrades that actually matter, like a faster GPU and more storage. When you choose OEM products, you can be sure of their authenticity and legitimacy. OEM stands for Original Equipment Manufacturer, meaning these products are made by the same company that produced your device. You can rest assured that OEM products are genuine and designed to integrate seamlessly with your device, enhancing your user experience. And of course, you can connect this tool with the Parkside app. Let's remove the battery, install again the battery, add tool, press the battery button. So 4 amp hours battery. Let's connect again. I have a second 4 amp hours battery. And there's the tool. Delete the other battery. We have the operating mode Performance, Expert or Eco. Let's choose Eco. Confirm. Switching on. Speed 7500 RPM. Discharge current 5 amps. Expert. And here you can adjust the speed. For performance. And you can choose the level, first, second. Level again 1. It takes a few seconds to synchronize. And off. Discharge current over heat count, block count over current count, total tool operating time, and for the battery, current temperature. You can lock the battery, unlock. You can choose the operating mode, balanced, 2 volts 40 ampere hours, discharge voltage 2, discharge current 40, eco 3 volts and 30 amps, expert, and here you can adjust from 2.5 to 3.4 volts and from 5 amps to 50, or just choose the performance. You have a performance power tool. Overheat notification, disable, enable. You can identify the battery. If you have more than one battery, it will flash the level for a few seconds. Current charge, discharging current, working hours, charging cycles, discharge cycles. Some information that you definitely want to know about your power tool and battery. Now, I don't know if you will use the app to control your tool. To be honest, I don't think so. I will do that. Let me know in the comments what are you thinking about. Do you like the app, or just press the button and control the tool directly? That was all about the app. Let's move on and test this tool. I really like the balance between power and control, the fact that it's cordless, and how well it handles fine finishing work on different surfaces. If you ever spend hours sanding down a project, only to notice tiny circular scratch marks under your final coat of stain or paint, then you'll know how frustrating that can be. This random orbital sander solves the problem by ensuring the path never follows the same path twice. The cordless design means you won't have to drag a power cable across your clean workspace, and the brushless motor provides the power of the corded tool without the cord. For anyone restoring furniture or finishing live edged timber, it's an absolute winner. If you found this video helpful, please like it, subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on more Parkside performance tools, workshop projects and hands-on reviews. Thanks for watching, keep sanding and keep creating, and I'll see you in the next one.